Hello, in this video I will show you how to change alarm ringtone on LENOVO Tab M11. So you have to start with opening your clock application and now click on alarm, and here choose on alarm and then click on alarm. And here you can choose if you want to see YouTube music or Spotify alarms, or you can just click dismiss, and you can choose alarm from the default list and then click back, and as you can see my alarm has been changed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.